This is Tropical Paradise. Juice is good for your heart and health ingredient. 1 cup pineapple chunks, 1 small mango, 1 kiwi, 1 cup coconut water, 1 tablespoon lime juice. Instructions: peel and chop the small mango into small, manageable chunks. Peel the kiwi and cut it into smaller pieces. Cut the pineapple into chunks, removing the tough core. Take a fresh lime and extract the juice to get approximately 1 tablespoon. In a high-speed blender, combine the pineapple chunks, mango chunks, kiwi pieces, coconut water, and lime juice. Blend the ingredients quickly until you achieve a smooth and well-combined juice consistency. If the juice seems too thick, add a bit more coconut water to adjust the consistency to your liking. Once the juice is ready, pour it into a glass and give it a gentle stir. Serve the Tropical Paradise juice immediately to savor its delightful tropical flavors and enjoy its heart-healthy benefits. This refreshing juice is packed with vitamins, minerals, and natural hydrating properties, making it a perfect choice for a tropical getaway for your taste buds. Remember, you can modify the recipe proportions based on your desired serving size and taste preferences. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the Tropical Paradise juice.